Hi guys, in this step-by-step video I'm gonna be showing you how you can send and receive money on PayPal. Now you can do the exact same steps inside your phone, or it could be Android phone, or it could be iPhone. Okay, now you just need to open the PayPal app. Okay, now after that, like I said, you can do the exact same step, but like the same process for both devices. Now after that, now to send money, you just need to click here where it says send. And what you guys need to do, you just need to tell the person that you are trying to send money to give you their email, their PayPal email. And then you can enter here the PayPal email, okay? And you want to click on next. And then you want to enter here the amount you want to send to the person, okay? You can either enter the email address of someone, okay, of their PayPal account, or you can enter their name, okay? Make sure the name is correct, okay? Now, and after that, you want to enter here the price that you want. You can also change the currency here if you want to send in your currency. For example, you can change the currency to Australia dollars if you want, pounds, UK pounds. Here, what's this for? Now, if you are trying to sell, if you want to trying to get a service from someone, you just need to enter what the reason for the payment. For example, I would like to buy like, this is just an example, buy service or physical products. Okay, you just need to enter here what this payment for. Okay, after that you want to click on next. After you enter here the amount you want to send, you want to click on next. Yep. Okay, so what you guys need to do to receive payments, you just need to go to your PayPal and click on request. Okay, if you click on request, then you need to enter here the email, or if you want, for example, let's say that you want to receive money on PayPal, you just need to give the person your email address. Okay, your PayPal email address. Just click on settings in the top left, and then this email address can be used to receive payments. As you can see, this is your email address, the primary email address that can be used to receive payments, okay, from anyone to your PayPal account. Now, if you click on home, you can also request payments if you want them to receive a notification so that they can send you money. Just click on request here and enter here their name, or enter their correct email address, their PayPal email address, and then click on next, and then enter here the amount you want to receive from that person. Okay, and then that's it. Again, you want to enter here why you want to receive the payment from this person. Just say like you want to, for example, you have sold something to them or something like that. And then after that you want to click on request payment, and then this person will receive a notification to send you a payment. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Make sure you leave a like on this one, and see you guys in the next video.